Today we are visiting a modern factory where professional pedicure kits are manufactured using advanced machines and skilled workers. Inside this facility, different sections work together to produce high-quality pedicure kits used in salons and homes. Welcome inside a modern beauty tools factory where professional pedicure kits are manufactured using advanced machines and skilled workers.
Inside the production line, machines and skilled workers assemble each pedicure tool with precision and care.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the left. Easy now, set it down right there.
Every pedicure kit begins with carefully selected materials like stainless steel tools, durable foot files, and high-quality beauty accessories.
Calibration on this batch looks perfect.
And when it
And the etching here on the caliper,
that meets the spec.
we can approve these. The tolerance on this batch is exactly 0.05 millimeters.
Good. Check the finish on this wrench head though. Make sure it's smooth.
pedicure kits are packaged and prepared for shipment to beauty stores worldwide.
Almost done with this row.
We are moving fast today. Good job.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing manufacturing and beauty product factory videos.